Yeah, I come down the hill and I saw it.
Are you eating an animal cracker?
Yeah.
Oops. Is it good stuff? Huh? More? No. Can't have any more.
Yeah, more.
You like those, Riley? Why are you shaking off all that stuff? Because why?
Because I don't like this all.
You just make a mess on the table.
I'll just clean it off my hand.
Alright. Cheese. Hey, Nora. You can drink your milk? Are you going to drink your milk? Yes, you are. You can drink your milk? Yes, you are.